what you do. If you feel like you got a spare brain and you can't use none of my prompts, here's what you do. You come over here. You're basically done with it. And I'm making things easier so y'all can understand it. So what you're going to do is then come up to this right here, sync. And I don't care if it's going to save you from buying a bitch ass course. So you don't got to spend no money on that. Listen to me, bro. I'm giving you it all for free. So yeah, listen to me. I could have been charging all this shit. And less than telling you, oh, bro, you paid me, nigga, I ain't helping you, bro. You feel me? I could have been like those gurus. They fucking extort. I don't extort or think that's just cool at all. Alright, let's go to here. It's like some of y'all got a spare brain and I'm gonna help y'all. I had the same brain too. Now I train my brain though. Train my brain to be smart. Alright, so look, so what you do. So I don't know what this prompt is for. A random guru just sent me it. He put in a document link. What is this prompt for? Used for? So all we gotta do is tell it this. And you can just give it this right here. Yes. So I went through it. It's gonna say so if I drops fan a competitor, channel subs right here, 400k views. You can see right here. So determine whether a niche is actually replicable right here. So are multiple channels performing. So yeah, you see that's what this prompt is basically for. So you see, we scroll down. Alright, so what is this prompt basically used for? So he sent me this. What is this prompt used for? So all you're just going to do is ask AI this right here, and it's going to basically tell you what is this prompt used for directly. So you see right here, a competitor's channel, a competitor's title views, a viral competitor's video, a viral football topic. So you see right a transcript. So that's literally what this prompt is for. That's why I said, yo, stop trying to overcomplicate things. Some of y'all be trying to overcomplicate shit, bro. And me, I'm not here to do that with y'all. AI's trained, and AI has real data, and these prompts are trained on real data with AI because they're made by AI. So they're trained. So when you give it the AI, you feed the AI. AI knows directly what that prompt is for. So yeah. So let's say if I want to go over to my next one. So and a lot of y'all be thinking, oh bro, your brains be you overthinking too much, bro. I used to be the same way. Just stop overthinking, gang. Let's do this. So what we're gonna do is go over to one right here. You know, if you don't know how to use it, you're gonna go to File, docx, or you're gonna go docx. What you're then gonna do is basically paste it here. And let's say we don't know how to use one either. So I want to do. So he sent me over this one too as well. So what is this one for right here? What is this for right here? So all you just gotta do is send it this, and it's basically gonna tell you of what it's for. So I'm gonna give you all the ways so where you can understand how to use my prompts. Stop trying to overcomplicate shit, bro, and you use these steps. AI's here to help. It's not here to replace you. So it's a surface topic. What particular video is about? So you see for B12 right here, we scroll. Title form is how you structure the title. So you see right here. So title angle is why someone else should care. So what should you do actually with the user's prompt for? So yeah. So what is exactly what is this prompt for that you sent me? So what is it for that you sent me? So all you're gonna basically do is tell AI, and AI is gonna basically tell you what it's for. Literally. So you see content pillars right here. The main categories on your channel within surface topics, title format, title angles, the actual prompt inside this file. So you see, so you will give me your bio. You'll give me 50 previous video titles right here. So you see, so AI is here to help y'all, and I'm not here to like make things hard. I'm gonna also go ahead and just paste this in this link. But yeah, so y'all try to overcomplicate things and make it hard, and try to like, and I know gurus do it too, but I'm here to help y'all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna basically just paste this. I'm gonna have it make me a beginner's tip. So I need you to basically give me a beginner's prompt. So any prompt that I basically bring you. So let's say my viewers, they got spare brains, retarded brains, and they can't comprehend to understand. That way, when they give you this prompt, feed you this prompt for instructions, you can basically tell them like how to use any prompt they bring you. So I need you to basically give me a prompt for instructions. I'm gonna put it in a file. And give me whatever name it. So some of these viewers got spare brains. They try to overcomplicate, and I'm not gonna let them do that. You can't escape the overcomplication with me, bro. You feel me? When you make a channel, you post a lot of that's now your channel. You gotta post more on that channel. I'm not gonna let y'all see me. I used to have to think in my brain like, oh, I used to be at Lazy Star, and we used to. I don't be like that no more, bro. I have a brain where I train myself to now do this shit. Sit in this spot and do this shit like a real person supposed to. Fuck you, TayReese, bitch. Do it. Put in the work, TayReese, bitch ass nigga. But yeah, TayReese, you's a bitch. I'm a bitch. Straight up. So I'm gonna come over this. I'm a hoe. Alright, so I'm gonna come over this. I'm gonna basically just paste this. I'm gonna scroll up so you see beginner's prompt, instructions guide, or what do I do with this prompt. So what I want to do is just copy this right here and paste this. And you see right, so beginner's prompt, instructions mode. So you see, so and put it right here. So it's gonna be for beginners. So if you don't know how to use prompts, all you're gonna basically do is go to here, go this right here, right? Let me actually duplicate this. Let's duplicate this real quick. We're gonna test this. I'm gonna show you how to test it out. So I'm gonna go to over here. Like I said, I'm trying to make things easier for y'all, bro. Y'all be trying to overcomplicate shit, make it hard. Like stop doing that, bro. Like I'm trying to make it as easier as I could. All we're gonna do is now go to beginners, and you can see you're gonna get this. So what you're gonna do? You're gonna basically feed AI this beginner's prompt, and you're gonna feed the prompt you want to use. And then what it's gonna do is it's gonna tell you directly how to use that prompt. So y'all need fucking yeah. Cause some of y'all still have 2-year-old brains. Yeah, 2-year-old fucking brains. I gotta see 2-year-old fucking brains. So y'all can't understand. So I gotta do this and do this for y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna give y'all this chat right here. I'm gonna go to share. I'm gonna go to TayReese, and what I'm gonna basically do. Yo, who it is? Yo, who it is? Wrong number, yo. Yo, who it is? Wrong number, yo. Alright, so we'll go to that right here. I'm gonna basically just put the link right there. Alright, so I'm gonna just copy this link. I'm gonna just put this right here, and I need y'all to pay close, please chat, pay close attention, and yeah. So you see beginners. So this will be for any prompt you want to use. So I already did it for y'all, bro. And it's any prompt you want to fucking use. So I don't want you buying no course or getting scammed or spending your money. Because I know a lot of AI programs out there is expensive, but you're gonna basically go to PDF. I'm gonna show you how to use it. So what you're gonna do? It's gonna be like a beginner tip. So beginner for instructions. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come over to a new chat. You're gonna basically come over there, open this up, right? So you're gonna basically come to this beginner prompt right here, right? You're gonna download this, and what I want you to do is now drag this right here, drag this, and give this to AI. What you're gonna do is give it the prompt you want to use. So let's say if you want to use this shit over here, let me also go ahead and save this as well. So like I said, these are beginners prompts for your brain. So where if you don't feel like, oh, I don't know how to use this prompt, bro, I don't know what this is for, it's overcomplicating, bro. I really just gave you a beginner prompt. And let's say we don't know what this is, right? So let's say we don't know what this is, right? So let's go to here. Let's go to TayReese's is your football competitors research. Alright, so let's go to that. Let's basically just put that like that. And let's say we don't know what this is, right? So let's see if we have a prompt actually on this. So is there a prompt? There's no prompt. There's no prompt. So let's say if we wanna, I'm gonna basically just go to file, go to docx. I'm gonna just now drag this right here. Alright, so I'm gonna drag that right there. I'm gonna just now go to a new folder. I'm gonna go to another folder, and I'm trying to show y'all the way to do it because, like I said, y'all try to overcomplicate shit, bro, make it as hard, and try to find a way to be lazy. You feel me? Or me, you can't play that lazy shit. This ain't the old TayReese. I want y'all to all win. I don't want y'all to fall back or be like this route I was in, bro. Fuck that old route. I want to go back to them days. Them days is devil days. Alright, let's go to this. Alright, so how do I use the second document? And here's the beginner one. So where you can help me, so you can guide me through. How do I use the second prompt? So all you're gonna basically do is give it this. It's now gonna basically tell you how to use the second prompt, and that's beginners want to guide you so where you can know how this prompt works. So you see, it's going to be beginner. Finding competitors. So you'll find a video. What you're gonna do is easy roll right here. You see this right here. We scroll down. So competitor title right here, search results. You basically give it the search results. You basically give it the views too. You'll give it everything right there. It's going to ask you, so you'll get and go no. So yes, that's what this works for. It's going to basically guide you to where it's going to help you. It's going to help you to where so your brain can stop because you're overcomplicating and try to find a lazy way to not do this shit. You feel me? Like no, you're not doing it with me, bro. You're not fucking out with me, bro. You're not doing it with me. I won't let y'all fail. I will not let y'all fail no more. With me, you're gonna win. I'm gonna fuck y'all out of this. We gonna make it through this bitch. Shut up. Shut up. Alright, yeah, so let's go to print. Alright, let's basically go to delete. We'll make it through this bitch. I'm telling y'all we will. We all strong. We got it, chat. But yeah, so it's basically download this and throw this one over here. DocX. Alright, so you see we have the beginners one right here. But yeah, that's what that beginners prompt is for. So any prompt you want to use, so that you just go to beginner. So you type in beginner, you just take this right here and you'll just go right here. You're gonna go to the beginners prompt instructions. So you're gonna go over here, you open this folder up, you'll go over here, you'll download this, and then what you're gonna do is give it one of the prompts in my sheet, and it's gonna tell you beginners tips how to use it. I want you to win. I don't want you to flop, bro. I don't want you to fail. So and you could basically ask AI, so what all do I bring you? So what all do you need? So you'll basically ask it, what all do I need? And it's just, you need competitor titles, so 104, and you need results right here. So you search your search results. So results, title, views, channel views, and yeah. So that's literally of what this beginner prompt is for. It's gonna help you use this prompt where you don't gotta overcomplicate shit no more. But yeah, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm basically gonna update this for y'all. I'm gonna update this for y'all, but yeah. So I'm gonna update this for y'all real quick. I'm gonna just open this up. And like I said, if you feel like I overcomplicate shit or make things hard, I try to make it easier for y'all. I'm gonna tell you this: YouTube isn't no easy game, bro. I literally told her that. You're competing with over billions of channels on a platform. The only way to win is we're gonna overbeat these motherfuckers. We don't know, some of them we don't know who's the people behind most of these channels they run, but we don't know these fuckers, bro, for real, bro. The goal is us to have way better framework and way better script structures and way better idea to overbeat these fuckers. We not cool with these fuckers. These are some of our competitors, bro. I mean, it's cool to get cool with build connections and other names, but you're competing with everybody else on the platform. So the goal is like you want to overbeat their framework, overbeat their title, overbeat their script, overbeat their packaging. So you want to overbeat their packaging. I get YouTube is a hard game, but this is what this prompt is for. And I went through and I made it. It was finally made it. And I needed it. So if y'all want to go through and check it out over here. It'll be on this link. So you can check it out. So TayReese framework. It'll be over here where you can check it out. And yeah. So it's on this link. So it's on this one right here. It's called niche validator right here. So yeah, niche validator. So where you're validating niche. And yeah, so if you try to make things hard, you will go to this beginner. You'll go to this beginner prompt, download it, and attach it over here with AI. You'll basically ask it, so okay, so and I'm also going to get y'all a mini prompt. So also make me a mini prompt. So if I don't understand how to use this prompt, how to use this prompt, when I give you it, I could basically give you the mini prompt. I try to make shit that's easier for y'all. Y'all try to go ahead and overcomplicate it and make things hard than it is, bro. You feel me? So I'm gonna get y'all a mini prompt, and yeah. And the mini prompt would be right here. So I'm gonna make a line. So when you're gonna copy this prompt, you're gonna basically give it this mini prompt. So you're gonna give it this mini prompt, and this mini prompt is basically gonna guide the AI, so AI knows, and it's gonna basically tell you what is it for. So what is it for? What do I need to give it? So what would I get back? How do I use it? So that's what it's for. You gotta learn this. If you don't learn this now, when are you gonna ever learn it, bro? You wanna keep struggling and keep being broke and keep having your peoples make fun of you, bro? Do you want to keep doing that? I don't want to. Like I get mad a bit when my family be like, "Oh, how much you made from YouTube? Oh, this and that." I'm like, I work hard. If you go to my go type in TayReese, I work hard. All my methods are posted on YouTube. I'm the best YouTube automation streamer worldwide. Nobody can replace me. I don't give no fuck if you white and whatever. You can't replace me. I'm damn near white too. Albinos, fuck. But yeah. And I want you to all win. I don't want you to fail because I've been through that time before. I don't like that shit. I don't like failing. It fucks with our brain a bit. But yeah, it fucks with our brain a bit. All right, so bro up here said, he says, no, bro, he says, you're the best YouTuber to me streamer. Nobody stands above you besides TayReese, bro. So yeah, he says, shouldn't give up. No, we ain't giving up, bro. We just got this beginner prompt up here and we got this mini prompt. So when you basically need to know what a prompt is, you're gonna basically download this as well, and then you're gonna give it this mini prompt. And let me show you how to do it before I end this video. I ain't fucking rushing to end this video. I don't want to rush to get you out of this shit, bro. I don't want you to keep going through the same old shit I went through, bro. With me having to struggle and me overthink, bro. Fuck that overthinking shit, bro. Swear, bro. So yeah, bro. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is go to this right here. I'm gonna just paste this right here. I'm gonna now go to the mini prompt. I'm going to now go to the mini prompt. I'm going to copy this as well. And I'm basically going to paste this as well right here. So what is it going to do? It's going to let AI know what is this prompt for. So how do we use it? We got beginner tips. So I'm going to just go to, let's duplicate this. Let's duplicate this. And yeah, because like I said, I don't want to go back to where I want to go forward. So yeah, I don't want to go back. I don't want to go back. So you can basically see, so I'm going to basically just come over to one of these prompts. And let's say if we want to use these prompts. We don't know what this is. We download it, right? We download it. We want to basically drag it. And you want to make sure you drag it with this mini prompt. So you want to use beginner mini prompt at the bottom of this beginner tip. So you can find this on a Google Drive link that I'll be giving to y'all. So what we're going to do is send it this. And this is going to basically tell you what this prompt is for. So you basically give it. So what is this prompt for? So you can see right here. What is this prompt for? What do I give it? So current script draft. So yeah, you see right here your niece, and a longer script, a more technological details, a stronger final, and viable. So you see right here. So what would I get back? But yeah. So now what I'm going to ask it is, we're going to basically ignore it. So you see right here. So yeah. So you see right here. So then, so what is this prompt used for? Just explaining beginner tips of like make it beginner friendly. Alright, so you see right here. So this is what is this prompt for? You give it a short YouTube script. So you see right here. So you have a 3 to 5 minute military script evasion. So here you give the prompt. So short script prompt, longer script. So it's here to basically expand it. So that's what it's for. So the whole prompt that I gave you, the second one, is just for expanding it, right? That's what it's for, expanding it. Yes, exactly. So yeah, so like I said, I'm trying to make things easy for y'all, but yeah. So if you still don't get it, you also just come up here and ask it. So by all means, what is it for? So is it for expanding? And yeah, you can read this out, and I also know some of y'all ain't dumb, so when y'all see this, but yeah. So that's what it's just for, and it's a longer 8-minute script. So it's for expanding it, but like I said, I'm not here to overcomplicate shit. I'm not here to make things hard. I want to see all y'all win. I don't want to see y'all go back to I hate for me looking back at my filters. I want to look forward at my wins, nigga. I don't want to go back to my filters, bro. Fuck the filters. Straight up, but yeah. Alright, I'm gonna open this up in the Google Docs. I'm gonna now come over to here. I'm gonna basically just paste this right here. And this will be below for y'all where y'all can check it out at. And like I said, it's for y'all, bro. I don't care for this shit. I know how to use it. So yeah. Alright, so document, download. I'm gonna just now repaste it right here, and you see this there. So that's what this beginner tip is for. Beginner prompt. So any prompt you don't know how to use, you'll come over this right here. You're gonna open this up. You're gonna basically go to here, mini prompt, and then you're gonna basically give it the prompt. You could give it the prompt again, or ask it. So what is it for? And it's gonna basically explain to you what is it for. I want beginner tips to help y'all win, not to help y'all lose. And this is going in long form. So yeah, I'm posting this long form on my main channel right now.